Hello guys, and welcome to my video number 11 on my PHP series. And this video I'm going to show you how to use the if statement and the else if statement. So to start, let's build two variables. Variable x, let's give it a value of 1, and variable y and a value of 2. Now let's type our first if statement. Type if, parenthesis, and below curly braces, and let's give it a space here, okay, and inside the curly braces let's type echo, and let's type x is less than y. And now inside the parenthesis we have to type our condition, okay? And the condition, for the condition we're going to use the variables x, an operator, a comparison operator, which is the less than, and now let's type the y variable, okay? So the condition says that if x is less than y, okay, so if the variable x is less than y, whatever code is inside the curly braces has to run, okay? So PHP will run the code here, okay, whatever code is inside the curly braces, if this condition is true, okay guys? And at this point the condition is true because 1 is less than 2, okay? And the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2, okay? So this condition is correct and this should run. Let's try to see if the if statement runs. Let's run this in the browser. Don't forget guys to run your XAMPP, okay? Localhost test. There it is. X is less than y. Okay, so the code runs because the condition is true. But what about if the condition is false? Because if I change the value here, instead of 1, I type 2. So now x is not less than y. Okay, because they have the same value, and the condition is not true. It's false. So let's see if the con still runs. Doesn't run, okay? So if we want to echo some other message in the case that the condition is false, we have to type else and curly braces and some code here. Echo, let's echo for example x is not less than y. Let's save that, and now if we refresh that, the else code runs, okay? So whenever you want to run a code, if the condition is false, you have to type at the end else, curly braces, and whatever code you want to run, okay guys? So another statement you can use is the else if statement, and it works basically like if you use another if, okay? So else if, and then you have to type the parenthesis to type a new comparison or a new condition to see if that condition is true as well. So let's type x, and instead of repeating the same condition, okay, we do another a new condition, which is x. If x is bigger than y, run this code below here, okay? And the code will say x is bigger than y. And let's see now if this works, okay? So to see this work, we have to change, let's see, we have to place Instead of 2, let's give a value of 1 to the y variable. And now this condition is false, but this one here is true. Okay, so this code will run. Let's see, and there it is. X is bigger than y. Okay, perfect. We can still use the else statement at the end. Okay, in the case that none of these conditions is true. Okay, if all of the conditions are false, this else code will run, and we're gonna run this code here saying echo, and we'll say X is not bigger or less than y. Okay, and to run this code, we have to change this, and now we have a same value of X and the same value of y, so none of these two conditions is correct. Okay, this is false and this is false, so this code is the one that we will see running in our browser. There it is. X is not bigger or less than y. Okay, guys, so that's basically how else, if, and if statements work. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, just send me a message. Okay, I can give you other examples of if statements if you want to. Okay, so just play a little bit more with the code, and you'll see that you'll get the idea how this works. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.